Hi, I am Stefano Ghidoni from the University of Padova, Department of Information Engineering. In this short video I will present you a smart workcell for human-robot cooperative assembly of carbon fiber parts. This is a joint work with other colleagues at the University of Padova and other institutions and companies that are part of the Drapebot European project. This project focuses on the draping and production of carbon fiber parts. The production of such parts is usually very complex and the involvement of human operators is very large. This is especially true when very special parts are being processed, like very large parts or parts that are used in the aeronautics or space industry. This needs the involvement of very skilled workers, so it is very complex for human workers to learn how to deal with those parts, because very tiny defects and very small problems in the production process may cause the failure of the produced part. In this project, we aim at creating a smart workcell, that is a workcell that is very safe at one side, but safety is not accomplished by fences. Instead, the sensorization is very high and the awareness of the process and the awareness of the presence of humans is very high. And this is achieved by means of intelligence. So a very smart and sensorized workcell can achieve safety without fences. The main components are based on artificial intelligence and are focused on perception and action. So artificial intelligence is used at both the perception and the action levels. From the perception side, there is a complete sensor suite that is sensorizing the workcell. It is composed of 3D cameras and inertial sensors. The intelligent perception has three main modules. First one is the skeletal tracker, so it is possible to understand, to measure the body posture of the people that are inside the workcell. A second level of body pose estimation that is achieved by means of inertial data, and a third key component that is the semantic segmentation of the environment, that is capable of providing an understanding at high level of the surrounding of the workcell, of the elements that are involved in the production. On the intelligent action side, it is possible to build on high-level knowledge of the process that is available and known in detail. The robot at the center of the smart workcell can therefore show intelligent task and motion planning, because thanks to the sensory suite that we have described, the smart workcell can understand the human actions and can trigger the robot to show natural reactions to the human actions. Therefore, the robot can ultimately safely get in touch with a human operator. This is the consortium actively working on the Drapebot European project. Thank you very much for your attention.